Governor Brian Kemp held a press conference this afternoon to give an update on COVID-19 in Georgia. The fourth COVID surge is not letting up. The U.S. is averaging more than 150,000 new cases per day.
And in Georgia, Sean, hospitalizations are increasing as mostly unvaccinated people are filling ICU beds around the metro. CBS 46's Ashley Thompson is live in Atlanta with more on what the governor had to say. Ashley.
Rick, and this press conference coming just 2 days after the state clocked its highest daily rate of new cases since January, more than 9,000 of them, and we are seeing the highest number of weekly outbreaks since this pandemic began. A dire situation in Georgia, the fourth COVID-19 wave overwhelming the state's hospitals. Governor Brian Kemp signing an executive order authorizing up to 2,500 Georgia National Guard members to assist healthcare workers.
Hospitals and healthcare systems across our state have started requesting guardsmen and women for a variety of non-medical roles.
Right now, more than 92% of the state's ICU beds are in use, while nearly 50% of adult ventilators are being used.
Hospitals are still treating patients who've had heart attacks, patients who've had car accidents. And so our normal volume for this time of year is pretty full typically. But when you add on top of that 30+% of our inpatient population being COVID positive individuals, and the vast majority of those unvaccinated, it creates a perfect storm.
Governor Kemp says some hospitals are running out of necessary supplies like oxygen.
Earlier today, I signed an executive order that waived the weight and hours limits for trucks to enable those life-saving supplies to make it to our hospitals quickly and efficiently.
Dr. Kathleen Toomey says a major concern right now, children spreading the virus. She says more than 85 recent COVID-19 outbreaks have been in K-12 schools. I asked Governor Kemp whether his stance on mask mandates in schools has changed amid rising COVID-19 numbers.
I personally believe that mandates like that are only going to cause division on campus. If people want to wear a mask, wear the mask. You know, I'm good with that.
And today, Dr. Kathleen Toomey had some disturbing news. She says she's getting reports that healthcare workers at vaccination sites are being threatened and getting harassed because they are giving out vaccinations. Both her and Governor Kemp are encouraging people to be supportive of their healthcare workers. For now, I am live in Atlanta. Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.